In this video, we are going to analyze how you can turn your e-commerce site into a high-performing machine. If you love business strategies and would like to know how big e-commerce companies achieve so much success, kindly watch till the end. As consumer preferences shift toward more digital experiences, starting an e-commerce business is a natural next step for any brick-and-mortar business or those looking to start making money online. E-commerce store is one of the best platforms available for launching a successful online business, with billions of active users purchasing online. Already made themes and CMS are usually cheap to get started with, easy to use, and has powerful tools that will help your store grow. Here are ways to make your e-commerce store super profitable. 1. Make the advantages of the product clear. Products that help people or make their lives easier are bought. As a result, it's critical to emphasize the advantages of the product. Copying the manufacturer's description is not recommended. You have a great opportunity to incorporate search engine optimization keywords into the product description and emphasize the reason why someone should buy it. Highlighting the product's various features, particularly its unique selling proposition, USP, can significantly increase conversion rates and reduce return requests. It is unlikely that your website will receive a lot of hits if people are unable to easily Google your business. The fact of the matter is that organic search accounts for a significant portion of website traffic. Consequently, your website will suffer if it is not optimized for SEO, particularly in terms of sales. 2. Make use of personalization. Personalization is the key to increasing conversions in the sales funnel. 51% of shoppers anticipate that e-commerce websites will anticipate their requirements and provide relevant recommendations. When marketers offer personalized experiences, sales typically increase. Using data science skills is one of the best ways to use personalization to its fullest extent. You can divide your customers into micro-segments using data science based on a variety of factors, such as gender, age, browsing behavior, purchase history, and spending habits. You can show the exact products that a customer is most likely to buy with the assistance of a data science tool, thereby increasing conversions. Using a product personalized recommendation app to automatically recommend products to each customer is another way to use personalization. 3. Enhance the checkout procedure. You could lose a lot of customers at the point they are ready to buy if your checkout process isn't easy. One method for settling this issue is by utilizing a checkout progress bar that shows where the customer is, within the process and how much is left. People who are able to see the end goal can be motivated to complete the checkout process by clear progress indicators. One-step checkout is another way to improve the checkout process. Also, offering numerous payment choices is a decent method for streamlining the checkout interaction. 4. Make your website run quickly and easily. Page loading speed is a big part of lowering your e-commerce store's bounce rate. Users are more likely to leave your website and visit your competitors' pages, which load faster if your pages load slowly for them. As a result, improving the speed and efficiency of your website will have an impact on both the number of page views and overall visits to the site. There are a lot of apps that focus on improving page speed and can help your website run faster without requiring a lot of effort. Apps for speed optimization will help you make your website as fast and efficient as possible in various ways. They automatically carry out things like reducing page latency, improving stack time, and optimizing images. 5. Increase your e-commerce conversion rate. Your store's conversion rates are calculated by dividing the total number of sessions by the number of purchases. You must be aware of this important KPI. It's time to make some changes to your store if your conversion rate isn't where it should be. Without information about how many people visit your website and what they're doing while they're there, you won't know what areas need improvement. Make adjustments to streamline and simplify your visitors' experiences by studying how they react to various areas of your e-commerce website. Once you make those changes, your conversion rate will rise. 6. Build trust and credibility. You need to build trust with your customers if you want your e-commerce store to perform well. They want to know if the store they're dealing with is genuine and adheres to industry-standard security procedures. Post positive feedback from previous customers to inspire confidence in new customers and build trust. Be proactive and request a review when a customer completes an order, so you can get many reviews. Video testimonials on your website that describe what customers liked about your product are another option. Video tributes are among the best change rate supporters in light of the fact that, not at all like text-based surveys, video tributes feel more private and genuine. You will have a high e-commerce conversion rate because customer reviews demonstrate that you are a legitimate seller and that your products are worthwhile investments. Lastly, you should clearly state your return policy on your website, making it easy to understand and find. Before making a purchase, 67% of customers check the return policy. Customers are concerned about whether they will receive a refund if the product does not meet their expectations or is defective. If you have a solid return policy, customers will be less skeptical and more likely to buy from you. 7. Organize your product categories logically. Customers will find it simpler to locate the products they are looking for if your products are organized in a logical manner. It also lets users use advanced sorting features to find particular products among multiple versions. This makes it possible for customers to directly search for and purchase the products they want by going to the category that they are in. Ensure that you provide as many attributes as you can. Customers are more likely to make a purchase if your products are easy to find. 8. Email marketing. Email marketing is the process of using emails to build relationships with regular customers. This is frequently accomplished by sending subscribers a series of opt-in emails that continue throughout the customer's buying cycle to prevent customer abandonment at any stage. Additionally, email marketing aids in customer retargeting and improves your conversion optimization rate. Just include the items the visitor has added to their shopping cart when sending retargeting emails. Additionally, special offers such as free shipping or an X% discount can increase conversion rates. To direct customers to the shopping cart or checkout page, include a CTA. 9. Content marketing. The process of strategically publishing informational content to attract and retain customers is known as content marketing. When it comes to being useful and relevant to your clients and prospects, your published content ought to have a big impact. By creating new, useful content that adds value, you can boost traffic to your e-commerce store and sales. Great content creation and promotion on social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter are essential to content marketing success. Provide useful information that your followers will always share. A great way to share content with potential customers and expand your audience is to set up a blog on your website. They become familiar with and adore your brand, which prompts them to purchase your goods. Implementing SEO in your content strategy is the best part. Your e-commerce store will steadily expand as more readers share your content by targeting search terms that your customers frequently use and by producing content on a regular basis. 10. A/B testing. Last but not least, A/B testing is a possibility because it can assist you in determining the specific elements that are encouraging conversions. Conclusion. As an entrepreneur, it can be hard to stand out in the highly competitive e-commerce industry. If you are ready to put in the work, increasing your site's conversion rate is not as difficult as it may appear. By putting these methods into practice, you can make your website a high-performance machine and help more visitors become customers. This is all we've got. What do you think of the strategies we stated in this video? Do you have another strategy to add? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Kindly share this video to people that can benefit from it. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not already done so, and remember to turn on your notifications so you can be notified when we post a new video. See you in the next video.